My name is Robert Toot. I study architecture at the Department of Architecture at Bowling Green State University, and I'm currently a senior. My involvement with the College of Technology consists of I was really involved in AIAS. I was AIAS president last year. When I was president of AIAS, I really learned how to come to terms with myself and my perspective on things, and valued solely what I thought about something, and it translates to architecture and making decisions that you might be unsure of. In my co-op experience, I was an intern at BSHM Architects, which is in Youngstown. It has a satellite office in Columbus. What my involvement was at the firm was really, it really gave me a lot of not intern-like work, which was really nice. So I was making construction documents. I was helping with the consultants, the mechanical, electrical systems consultants, and really understanding what it takes to put a building together, and from the beginning to end, which was great. I had a couple short-term projects, which you could see the whole process, which was nice. So my advice for incoming architecture students would be prepared to work. It's a lot of work. It's fun work though. There's a lot to learn in architecture, and it's important not to get overwhelmed by all the information, but to just keep an open mind and always continually learn.